Come with me to see what $2.4 million gets you in South Tampa.
Introducing you to a new coastal contemporary dream home located in the sought-after Sunset Park neighborhood of South Tampa. As we make our way upstairs, let's go explore. This exquisite residence boasts 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and a media room, featuring luxurious finishes and custom details throughout. Here's the wonderful media area, great for guests, watching movies, lounging, maybe a game room. Let's make our way around to the other bedrooms upstairs. Here is the wonderful master bedroom and bathroom. Here's a quick glance of the laundry room, entering another full bathrooms and remaining bedrooms. The home also includes a spacious mudroom for organization and a hidden butler's pantry. With 10-foot ceilings on the ground floor, the chef's dream kitchen comes equipped with top-of-the-line thermometer appliances, quartz countertops, and solid wood cabinets extending to the ceiling. The house is energy efficient, sprayed with insulation foam. Outside, the backyard offers an ideal space for gatherings and leisure with a pool, attached spa, and outdoor kitchen. The bedroom on the ground floor has a pool access and its own bathroom, making it perfect for any guest. What do you say? Is this your dream home?